Today I thought I'd introduce you to my greenhouse. This is something that I'm so happy with it. I am so grateful that I was able to do this. I haven't had a job for several years, and this was, and you can say whatever you like, but I felt very strongly that this is something that I needed, and I asked God if He would. I told him, if this is something that I need, make it possible. You're going to have to make it possible because I can't. And He did. So, as you can see, it is completely surrounded by water bottles. This is my water wall. And those water bottles keep it very, very much warmer in here during the summer or during the winter, and I'm sincerely hoping that we'll also keep it cooler during the summer. I designed this greenhouse, and this roof actually faces north. I did that for a reason. We think about greenhouses, we always want the greenhouse facing south. We always want the the roof facing south so that we can collect more heat. Well, I live in an area with extremely hot summers, and more heat is not always what we want. So I deliberately face the roof north. Now the theory is that when the summer sun, get it from the right angle, this is south. When the summer sun hits that edge, I'm not going to get as much absorption through the roof, but during the winter, it will hit straight on. So that was the idea behind facing the roof north. Up until this point, it has, there's more garlic. You can see that right there, right here. Up until this point, it got down to 13 degrees last summer, and the most we ever got was a skim of ice in the buckets. Now I'm going to replace these buckets with 55-gallon drums this summer. I'm still trying to decide whether I want them in the front corners or the back corners, but I'm leaning toward the back corners. But this is a haven. This is an amazing structure. And this is going to be so much help. During the summer, I'll show you this. The greenhouse is designed, okay, there's a fly, I don't like this. The greenhouse is designed, I'm going to shut this door, but I'll show you. The greenhouse is designed so that during the summer there's a door on the far side and there's a door here. During the summer, those doors will be blocked open. I can see it. There's the handle. And I have the bungee cord, and it will simply be blocked open because our prevailing winds go east to west. And hopefully with the two doors open, that will blow away a great deal of the heat. So let me get back here. And this is my newest toy. This is my greenhouse. As you saw, it already has lettuce and spinach growing, and it's the beginning of February. I'm expecting that those things will start to take off in the next couple of days, and by mid-February we should have spinach and lettuce harvesting. I will talk with you later. Thanks.